Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Seismosignal 3D. Let us begin by launching the Seismosignal 3D software. One way to enter data is by manually inputting the acceleration time histories along the X, Y, and Z axes. Select the accelerogram. Assign the proper input file parameters, then click OK to proceed. We load the accelerograms for the other directions in the same way. An alternative method of importing data is from the ESM, Engineering Strong Motion, database. Select an ESM file from your computer. The corresponding accelerograms will be displayed. A third method is to use data from the Peer NGA Strong Motion database. Browse and select the NGA record file. Choose the appropriate record. In this case, we'll select the first one. Click OK to confirm. The accelerograms for the selected NGA record are now shown. Now go to the Settings menu. Under the General tab, you may specify the number of decimal places and the folder where you want the output files to be saved. Go to the Baseline Correction tab and check the Apply option to enable baseline correction. Moving next to Filtering tab. And again check Apply to enable filtering of the accelerograms. Proceed to the Response Spectra tab, in order to define spectrum settings, and finally choose the desired units. Click OK to save and apply all the settings. Now open the Velocity tab to view the velocity time histories. Then, open the Displacement tab to view the displacement time histories. Next, in the Response Spectra tab, select ROT-D 100 as the spectrum type. Click Create Spectrum to generate the corresponding response spectra. Several orientation-independent acceleration response spectra can be obtained in this module. These include ROT-DXX, which can be generated for any percentile value. Assign the desired percentile value. Click Create Spectrum again to generate the updated response spectra. Next, go to the Orbit Plot tab. To visualize the orbit plots of the displacement of the two horizontal ground motion components, select the Ground Motion Parameters tab for a summary of ground motion parameters, provided for both the original and the corrected records. This concludes the tutorial for Seismosignal 3D. Thank you for watching.